Hello everyone, Habibi here. In this video, I'm going to start a tutorial about how to make a turn left and right light. This is my car object. I have this car object, and it has this yellow light here at the back, right and left. Also this one, right and left. I want to make it turning on and off if I press a button. So let's try to start from the 3D model itself. Here my 3D model is here, located here. I think this is my 3D model. I will right click and click show in Explorer. Okay, here is, where is it? Here, pick up FBX. This is my 3D object. I need to edit this 3D object, so I will right click and okay, let's just start the 3D Max. I'm using 3D Max. Alright, my 3D Max is started, and here is the 3D object, the FBX file. I can just sorry guys, I hate it. Okay, let me expand this view, and I can just click, drag and drop it to the 3D Max, and I click import. Here is the car object. Here I want this part of mesh only, the light front and back. So what I'm going to do is right now just delete those wheels, and here I'm going to edit the polygon. Let's go here. You see this part. Let me admit that this 3D model is not good, so whatever, I'm still going to use it. The good 3D model won't be like this. So here I need to edit the model. So remember, I just only need the yellow light. This one, I only need this one. Here I click, no, here I need to choose detach. Let's click OK, and I delete this part that I don't need. Next is to take out only this part by here on edit, swift loop. It depends on how your model is. You can do similar thing. If your model is good enough, you will have only this part separated, not like this. Okay, here I deselect the yellow part and delete it, and I go for this one, edit swift loop, and for this one let's remove this part first. Then for this one I will go to vertex mode and here cut, something like this. Alright, and I will do this one as well. Cut, click here, here, and here. Okay, I think we are done. Not done yet. Let's separate this left and right part. This is the right part. I will detach and name it right turn lights. So here are our right turn lights, and this one will be left turn lights. And then we export this object. I will export to this directory. I copy the location and here paste, enter. I name it left right turn lights. Okay, let's go back to Unity, and here is our light object. First, let's go inside this prefab. Let's find where is the mesh. The mesh is here. So here is the parent object. I will place it here below this pickup parent object, this way. As you see here, it is not placed correctly, so we need to reposition them accordingly. Let's unpack this prefab completely, and yeah, okay. I cannot see it. Just slightly bring it forward. Hmm. I need to go back to my 3D Max here. Let me just manually bring this back, left and right, turn light little bit this way, and also that one. Okay, and export it again. Export them again. Overwrite the existing file. And go back to Unity and see, are they visible here at the back? Yes, it is visible. One more thing, I need to change the material, or no, the texture of this light to yellowish color. So here, for the front part, I go to let's find UVW unwrapping, unwrap UVW, click this mode and go to open UVW editor. Here choose this one and bring it here. Okay, and also for that one, the left one, UVW, unwrap UVW, click open UV editor, choose the texture, place it here as well. And let's export it again. Overwrite the file. Okay, we have the mesh ready. The next thing is to add the material for this part. Let's create new material. I name it LR turn lights. Use this texture, the vehicle texture, and enable the emission and reuse this texture for this slot and apply it to this part, both of them. I need to bring them lower a bit. I missed this part for the right one, for the right side, and I have no choice. I need to go back here. No, but it is fine here. Okay, as I said, this is not good 3D model. Oh, it is because it is inside the mesh object, the car mesh. So what I can do is to bring it. Yes, it is not good 3D object. If you have better 3D object, you won't have to do this part. Okay, I'm sorry if it is a bit boring, but I need to do it. I need to bring it back again here. And that one as well. And export it, re-export it again. Yes. Okay. Where is the right one? It is kinda annoying, guys. So I need to do it again. Okay lah. Re-export. Export selected. Yes. Okay. And I think I'm done with it. Okay, that's for the mesh. Next thing is scripting. Okay, by default, let's turn them off by unchecking this check mark here for both left and right lights, and we will turn it on and off by scripting. Okay, let's make a script. The first script, I think we are going to make two scripts. First one is for the light itself. So I call it RR lights, enter. And we are going to use this script for both objects. Drag it to this part. Let's wait a second. Drag it drag it here and also here. Okay, both objects has the script, and let's edit the script. We are going to make a variable for the duration of the light, how long the yellow light will turn on. So for example, half second, I think. So here I make float variable, I call it countdown. The duration will be half second, so I will set it to 0.5 float, and the second variable will be the condition of the light object itself. Is it turned on or off? By default is on. By default it will be false. Before these two variables, I will make a public variable, public game object variable, game object lr light. Okay, here on the update we are going to check if countdown is more than 0. If it is more than 0, then countdown minus equals time dot delta time. I don't know how to explain more about what is time dot delta time, and you can just follow my coding. I'm not good explainer. Okay, here then if the countdown value is more than 0, it must be decreased until it became 0. Even if it is 0 or less, then here else we need to reset it. Countdown, we need to reset it with this initial value. But this is not good. Let's add another variable, float. What should I call it? Base duration. You can name it whatever you want. Okay, so I just use this name, base duration. So countdown value should be this base duration. Here let me copy this one and I place it here on the start. At the start I will assign the base duration value to this countdown variable, and then after this part, after this line, we are going to check if the value of is on is true, we will switch it to off. Is on equals to false. else if it is false, then we switch it to true. And then after this line we are going to turn off or disable this game object. So here I set it to set active false, and this one the other way, this one will be true. And if we go back to our game, we should be able to see it is blinking. Let's run it. No, it's not. Why? Because we did not assign the object. We did not assign this game object variable, but actually we don't need this. So instead of using that public game object variable, here we can, let's try this one, game object set active, so true. But I'm not sure. Let's try. Okay, not working. Let's go back. We need to do this thing. Here I need to duplicate both objects here and make it child of this first one and make it child of this second one, and I call this one parent, this one also parent, and I delete this number. So basically it is just making a parent of this object, so the script will be here, not here. And we must set it active, this one also active. The problem was because this object was inactive, so the script is not working. The script was not working. The script should be here, script, but it should has no mesh. I remove the mesh renderer and also this, and I do it for this one as well. Remove mesh renderer. Okay, and then refer the object to this slot left, and this one right, and click this object. We need to remove the script from this object. Let's go back and try again. Click play button. Okay, we have them blinking. By default it is hazard light. It is hazard light. Let's switch the camera. The next thing that we are going to do is to control which part of the line, right or left, that should be blinking. Or we can also choose both of them blinking like this. So we are going to make buttons here, left, right, and the center will be hazard button to make them blinking, all of them like this. I will do that on my second video. So that's all for this part. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry if it is a bit boring. And okay, bye bye. See you next time.